Welcome to Thadorobot world. The world where cameras don't just see, they understand. Imagine cameras so smart they can detect if someone falls, smokes, or even dozes off. In just 1 second, Thadorobot detects a fall and sends a warning to save lives.
No more hidden habits. AI catches dangerous actions before they cause harm.
Drowsiness detected.
Thadorobot even knows when you're falling asleep, protecting people and property around the clock.
One system, multiple protections, all powered by intelligent deep learning. Thadorobot uses advanced motion and posture recognition to spot risks in real time.
Instead of punishment, AI encourages safer, more alert working habits.
Smart vision means fewer mistakes and more productivity everywhere.
Thadorobot learns patterns and predicts where the next risk could happen.
From factories to hospitals, AI cameras are saving lives every second.
Real-time alerts reach the right person instantly. No delay, no damage.
Precision and speed. That's the power of AI observation.
Thadorobot sees angles humans can't. 360 degrees of awareness.
Every move analyzed, every danger predicted before it happens.
A new age of intelligent monitoring is here, powered by Thadorobot.
Peace of mind for families, because safety never sleeps.
Subscribe now to Thadorobot for more amazing tech that watches over your world. Join the future with Thadorobot today. Smart vision for a safer tomorrow.